Difference between say, tell, speak, talk. Introduction: what you will learn in this video. Hello and welcome back to Grammar with Altaf. In today's lesson, we're going to clear up a very common confusion for English learners: the difference between say, tell, speak, and talk. These four verbs are often used in daily communication and they seem similar, but they're not always interchangeable. If you've ever wondered when to use say instead of tell, or whether talk and speak mean the same thing, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore each one step by step with simple examples and clear explanations. 1. Say. What does it mean and how to use it? The verb say is used when we report someone's exact or general words. It doesn't usually mention the person we are speaking to. Structure: say plus something. Say plus that clause. Examples: she said, "I'm tired." He said that he would come later. They said it was a great movie. Notice that we don't usually use say with an object pronoun, like me, him, her, unless we use to. She said to me, "Thank you." Correct. She said me, "Thank you." Incorrect. Quick tip: use say when you want to focus on what someone said, not to whom they said it. 2. Tell. What's different from say? Tell is used when we focus on the person receiving the message. That means we must include an object, someone who is being told. Structure: tell plus someone, plus something. Tell plus someone, plus that clause. Examples: she told me she was tired. He told his friend a secret. I told them to wait here. We do not usually use tell without mentioning who is being told. He told that he was busy. Incorrect. He told me that he was busy. Correct. Common expressions with tell: tell the truth, tell a lie, tell a story, tell a joke, tell the time. Quick tip: use tell when you're talking about giving information to someone. 3. Speak. When do we use this verb? The verb speak is more formal and is often used in official or serious situations. It also emphasizes the act of speaking itself, not necessarily the content. Structure: speak plus a language. Speak plus to someone. Speak about plus a topic. Examples: he speaks English and French. May I speak to the manager? She spoke about climate change in her speech. Speak is often used when talking about languages, referring to formal situations, emphasizing the ability or act of speaking. Also, speak can be used to describe public speaking. The president will speak at the event tomorrow. Quick tip: use speak in formal settings or when talking about languages or public speaking. 4. Talk. Informal and friendly. Talk is similar to speak, but it's more casual and used in everyday conversations. Structure: talk plus to someone, talk plus about something, talk plus with someone. Examples: we talked for hours. I want to talk to you about the project. She talked with her friend last night. Talk is more interactive. It suggests a conversation where two or more people exchange ideas. Common phrases with talk: talk sense, talk nonsense, talk about something, talk someone into doing something, talk someone out of doing something. Quick tip: use talk when you are describing informal back and forth conversation. Comparison table. Quick review. Verb: focus. Object: person. Formal, informal. Example: say, words spoken, not required. Neutral: he said, "I'm ready." Tell: the person receiving info, Required. Neutral. She told me the truth. Speak. Active speaking language. Optional. Use to. Formal. She speaks German. Talk. Conversation, interaction. Optional. Use to with. Informal. They talked about music. How to remember the differences easily. Say something. What was said? Tell someone. Who was told? Speak, sicher, formal or about language. Speak English, speak formally. Talk, informal, interactive, talk with friends. If you still feel confused, ask yourself, am I reporting what someone said? Use say. Am I reporting to whom they said it? Use tell. Is it about a formal conversation or language? Use speak. Is it a casual chat or friendly talk? Use talk. Practice sentences. Let's check your understanding. Try to decide which verb fits best. He always the truth. Can I to your manager? She would arrive at 6. They about the new movie last night. And my friend to come early. Answers. Tells. Speak. Said. Talked. Told. Common mistakes to avoid. Wrong. He said me a story. Correct. He told me a story. Wrong. I told that I was sorry. Correct. I said that I was sorry. Or I told him that I was sorry. Wrong. She talks English well. Correct. She speaks English well. Wrong. I want to speak about my vacation. Correct. I want to talk about my vacation. More natural for informal. Conclusion, what we learned today. In today's video, we learned the difference between say, tell, speak, and talk. We use say when we report someone's words without focusing on who they're talking to. We use tell when we include the person receiving the information. We use speak in formal settings or when talking about languages. We use talk for casual, everyday conversations. I hope this explanation helped you understand the unique use of each verb. Mastering these small details can make your English sound more natural and confident. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grammar with Altaf for more easy and clear English lessons. See you in the next video.